Karamoja Affairs Minister Dr. Mary Goretti Kitutu was on Wednesday denied bail by the Court of Anti-Corruption over lack of substantial sureties. We have more on that report.
Ms. Kitutu's lawyers, led by Mr. Michael Wamasebu, a former Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Mr. John Musime, and Mr. Jude Biamukama, last week listed ill health, advanced age of 61, having a permanent residence in Bunga within the jurisdiction of court, and handed to court 2 land titles, each measuring half an acre in Mokisi district, as grounds for her release on bail. The presiding magistrate, Ms. Mary Nasiro, however, had stood over the matter to today, citing insufficient time to review the lengthy bail arguments made by both her lawyers and the state. 3 of her sureties, who include her husband, Mr. George Kitutu, failed to show proof of financial capacity to stand surety in such a case. The case has been adjourned to Friday, April 14th, when the said sureties are expected to present their credentials in order for court to determine whether to grant the minister bail or not. The minister, who has for more than 2 months been at the center of controversy of allegedly diverting iron sheets meant for the vulnerable people in Karamoja, was sent to Lizira last Thursday after the presiding magistrate stood over the matter to yesterday, citing insufficient time to review the lengthy bail arguments made by both her lawyers and the state. Minister Kitutu faces 2 counts of loss of public property and 1 count of conspiracy to defraud, according to the charge sheet that was presented before the court last week. She is jointly charged with her younger brother Michael Naboya Kitutu and Mr. Joshua Abaho, the Senior Assistant Secretary in the Ministry of Karamoja Affairs in the Office of the Prime Minister.